Alright, welcome back, fellow YouTubers. This is DM Blair, and yesterday I got a package. I pre-ordered this some time ago, I'm not quite sure, about a month or two ago, and it wasn't supposed to come out, according to the pre-order, till December 31st. So, I got it yesterday. I'm pretty certain some other people got it yesterday, too, because I've seen videos for it that say 24 hours old on them. So some of the people who got theirs already beat me to it. But I haven't been feeling well. That's why I haven't been making a lot of videos, and I'm a little congested. And so I'm just going to, bear with me, guys. I'm just going to make a few videos over the next couple of days, probably that don't have anything to do with product CBD reviews. But these other reviews will fit into my, categories of my YouTube channel already. So without any further talk, I'm going to open this up and show you what's in here. Now, the box opening. You can see in there. You see in there? You know what that D's for? I don't know. No, it's not for da-da-da-dum. It's for... Oh, okay, so there's packing stickers, stuff like that. But it is for this. Let's take out the plastic here. See if we can get a good look at this here. This is the Diablo 3 Loot Goblin. This is the packaging here. It's pretty unique. I've seen some other loot goblins, or not loot goblins, Amiibos, sorry. I've seen some other Amiibos online. They've been around for a little while. People really collecting them up. I haven't had a need to collect any other than this one because I just got the Diablo 3. If you check some videos back, if you're new here. If not, you already know then we got the Diablo 3 Nintendo Swich version, and I thought this would be really cool to go with it. So without any more talk here, let's, you guys got a good view of it all around there?
Yeah.
In front.
I saw it.
Looks pretty rough. Looks pretty angry. Open this up. From what I understand, this usually the base is round on these. Which is interesting. I don't want to break anything off. Okay. Usually the base is round, but this one I understand is oval shaped here. Got like his gold down in there, some swords sticking out. Because, you know, if you play Diablo 3, when you whack this guy to kill him, the loot flies out, gold and weapons and stuff. It says down here, I noticed it's Diablo 3 down in the base there. I don't know if you can see that, guys. Let me get my hand out of the way. Maybe if you turn the bright up on there, you'll be able to see it. I don't know. Yeah, this thing's pretty rough looking. I mean, he looks pretty scary. Not quite sure how to use them. I would think that there would have been some sort of instruction in the box, but I guess since Amiibos have been around a while, if you don't already know how to use it, you should look online to figure it out, I guess. But this is pretty much it. I don't know what all the stuff is here on the bottom. Probably a bunch of warnings in different languages and so forth, French, whatnot. But this is really cool. It's got some kind of metal papery stuff underneath here. I'm just going to put back in. I'm going to keep this that way when I'm not using it. I can display it in my my game room. I have a off-site game room that I do all my like crafting of my 3D terrain and things in. So I'm gonna probably do a video of it being on the Switch. I'm gonna do it, I guess, on the TV though, so you guys will be able to see it better. And I'll probably do the I'll figure out how this works and then do the run it. So I guess it opens a portal from what the guy at the store was telling me. It opens a portal. Then you go down and there's a special boss, and there's gold everywhere and special creatures, and you get a bunch of different special weapons you can't get anywhere else, but from those drops. And I think he said that you can do it once per game or something, once per day or once per game. I'll get the logistics on all that, and I'll add it in the description. But there it is, guys. I've been waiting quite a while for Diablo 3 to be mobile, as in like not on like solid consoles. I know there's a mobile Diablo game coming out called Immortal. If you haven't checked that out yet, hop on to Google, just type in Diablo Immortal, and it'll bring up all the specs for it. There's no exact date as to when it's coming out, but it looks pretty good in my book, and I'll be glad to be able to play out and about and not have to worry about being at home. And being that most cell phones nowadays, they come with internet already on them, so that helps as well, instead of having to take the Switch to someplace and find a internet connection like McDonald's or something. So it's going to be pretty cool. So there it is, guys. I appreciate you coming out, checking it out, sticking around, and I'm going to have some other special stuff in the description too for you guys. I don't want to plug away at everything. This is supposed to be for this little guy right here. So I'll just leave you with a little pan around, look at this little guy here. There you go.